The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a tornado warning for southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:45 a.m. At 4:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbus, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Juneau around 4:20 a.m., Watertown around 4:25 a.m., Eustis Ford around 4:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Richwood, Clyman, Lebanon, Asheppin, Neosho, Danville, Reesville, Leipzig, Woodland, and Lowell. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.